Switch pros all in. It's working awesome. Just need to clean up a little bit of wiring. Got some shorter cables coming. Spark goes in. New GPS in. GPS for me. Thinking about a AEM 7-inch right there. Get rid of all of those gauges. A couple of them have been clapped out and having to replace them, so might as well bite the bullet and do it once. What do you guys think? We're in the neighborhood, checking it out. Oh, did its job. We hit that tree right now. Did its job. What a good thing. I just hit a tree and the mirror folded in like it's supposed to and didn't break off. So, good thing I had him set up loose. Patrick's moving into the doghouse. She's ready. Look at that shirt. Raceline, Mcburro. Ready to go. Norra test day.
Do you have the lawn guy in?
Have the what?
Do you have your lawn care professional in here? It looks like those seats like covered with grass.
I thought you wanted a little extra cushion. You said you were a little tired.
I wanted a little more decor in here.
We got no. Get a little test going on. Mcburro official shirts. We got strobe. Bajadesigns getting dialed in. There you go. You like that?
Yeah, and in the back.
Test day. Cavo Custom. How's she working?
Good, good. She's doing good.
What are we working on?
GPS action. Doing a little Arroyo. Killing it.
This thing's not really cooperating with the heading up option.
No, it's not.
This is
It's a little better than it was out in the Arroyo, though. It seems like we're going in the right direction.
Yeah, but I don't know why it won't go heading up. It's only course up, right?
That
Doesn't make sense.
That shows track.